In this next video, we're going to add the HighLevel plugin so I can integrate HighLevel with the website. So from here, I'm going to go to the top left-hand corner again, and I'm going to go to plugins this time. From plugins, I'm going to add a new plugin. And I'm going to type in lead connector. And the lead connector plugin shows right up here on the left-hand side. I'm going to click install now, and then I'll click activate. Next, on the left-hand side, I'll click on lead connector. And I need to grab my API key. Here's some directions on how to do it. But very simply, all I need to do is go into my HighLevel account, go to settings, scroll down to my company information and grab this API key. I'll copy it right there. And then I just paste it right here and click save. Now, a couple really cool things have already been added. I can now enable my chat widget and click save. And if I choose to, I can have a funnel added to my site. I'll just choose my course. I'll choose which page to use. And I can either embed it as an iframe or make it a direct funnel URL. In this case, I'm going to do a funnel URL. I'll enter in the slug. In this case, I'll just use the initials. And I'll hit save page. Now, if I view the page, I just click it here. And my funnel comes right up. Or I can edit it right there, instantly. And if I go to the home page of the website, you'll notice that my chat widget now appears. Now, the last thing I want to do is I want to add a contact form to this website. I'll click on contact, and I'm going to go back into my HighLevel. I'll hit the go back button here. I'll go to sites, and I'll go to forms. I'll click builder, and I'm just going to create a normal contact form. I'll click add form, start from scratch, click create, and I'm going to name this website contact form. I'm going to take out these names and use the full name. I prefer that. I don't need the phone number in this case, so I'll delete that, and I'll delete the consent. And then lastly, for the message, I'm going to scroll down here. I'll grab the multi-line block, drop it here, click here, and rename it Leave Your Message. And I'll hit and then finally I'll click on the button, change the word button to submit, and click save. Now to add this to my site, I go up here and I click integrate. I'm going to use it in line, so I'm going to copy the embed code. Now that's on my clipboard. I go back to my website. I'm going to enable the visual builder. I'll scroll down here. I'm going to take the form that they have and I'm going to just delete it with the garbage can. Hit the plus sign and type in code. And then I click on the code and I paste the code right in there and hit the check mark. I click on this purple right here and click save. And when I exit the visual builder and I scroll down, my form from HighLevel is now inside of the website. All I need to do then is in the form, I need to decide where it's going to go afterwards. I can do that in the settings by going to options and then on submit, telling you what to do. I can say thank you. I can redirect to another page. There's many different things that I can do. And that's how you integrate HighLevel with a WordPress website.